So here we have the press page, and you wanted to know how to be able to add items to the press page so that they go correctly into the columns. Unfortunately, there's no better way to do that than just cutting and pasting again. So first of all, the shortcodes that we're using for the columns here are inside these brackets. So where you have UT1 half, that's starting half of a column, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 items in the first column under print interviews, and then we have the closing tag for that same tag. So that shows us that all this content is one column, and then we come to the next column, and 1/2 last just means that when you're dividing by half and by half on a screen, that we have the word last there to know that this one's going to be the last one. It's going to be on the right. So that's what this is. And then we have the next bit of information here for the last column. If you want to add things to the end of the column, then we can add them, if you wanted to add one to the press interviews and have it be after looking back, and basically have it be in the right-hand column on the bottom underneath this. What you can do is just start typing. Here's your next item. And then add the link. And there you go. One of the things that typing in the visual editor does is it adds a lot of unnecessary returns. So let me see if we can find it here. Next item. So video, audio. Here we go. So here's the text that I just added, next item and link. And we've got some spaces inside of it. This isn't making any sense. I'm going to stop talking. Okay, I'm back. So we click the link. We come up here to insert or edit link, and we add a URL name. Just for this purpose, I'm going to add a £sign. You always want it to open in a new window or a tab. That way people don't navigate away from your site. And so we're going to say click add link. And now it's a pretty little link. One of the things that you'll notice when we preview this is that I didn't select to make the text black. So right here we'll see that next item shows up and it's gray. The link is fine and it works great, but it's gray. So let's go back to the edit page and we will select our text one more time, next item, and we just come over to the text color and we make it black. So if we go back over to from the visual to the text editor over here, we scroll down, we'll find our words next item, and now they've got that span style color 000, which shows up that our text will be black, in fact. So that's how you add an item to a column. If you need to reorder columns, we can talk about doing that. One way would just be to select the end tag of the first column and the start tag of the next column and cut those. So, okay, that's fun. So cut those by Command or Apple X, so Command X, and then just come down in between for the next one and paste them. So now we've got more items in the first column, less items in the second column, and let's preview that and see what that looks like. Over here, press. So now we've moved that item over to this column just by moving those two tags to the other side of that item. So if you find that you need to reroute things because you're adding a lot more items to the second column, that is how you can do that. Good luck.